today we are going to make this super cute miniature donuts. So, let's get started. Take clay, flatten it and make a hole in the center. Then insert it in a skewer because we are going to glaze it with varnish to make it shiny. One set is going to be glazed donuts and one set is going to be sprinkled donuts. Now I'm going to ice my donuts. So I have just mixed varnish and paint. But you need to make the paint lighter to the actual color you want because the varnish is going to make your donuts darker. So you need to make it a lighter color than you want. Now I'm gonna add some sprinkles to make it cuter and prettier. Now I'm going to line up my donuts and then mark how big the box should be, like this. I have cut the template and I'm going to fold it to the width of the donuts. Now we are going to make the donut box, so trace it as shown. I am drawing an inner rectangle that we are going to cut out later. I made two sets. I'm going to cut both of them now. I'm cutting the inner rectangle. I was gonna say triangle, but it's rectangle. I'm folding it in all of its edges. I am gluing clear plastic where we cut the rectangle. I am gluing the box together. I am putting my two sets of donuts in. This is looking so adorable, right guys? Are you gonna make it? Leave in the comments if you are. I really love how this looks. Do try it. It's super simple. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.